Hello people of YouTube. Today I'm gonna unbox this little black box of Mi Smart Band 5. It's a smart wristband. And now let's open it. One small cut from here. And one more cut here. Put this away, and now I'm opening it. Let's take this out. It's not very heavy. It's a lightweight smart band. Feels nice. The plastic looks good. Oh, it's pre-charged. It wants me to select language, but only 6 languages. English, Russian, Spanish, Korean, and Japanese, I think. But you have to pair it for its full functions. I'm pressing but not now. It says pair with your phone. Without pairing, you are not able to use it. Here is the charging cable. But there is no wall plug attachment. You have to use your smartphone charger. These are magnetic pins. You have to plug it. There's a little booklet showing how to pair and do other stuff. Better to read, and nothing more. Let's take a look. No, not charging from there. It's, I think, this sensor. Yes, it attaches here, and you put it into your smartphone charger, and then it charges. Now we have to pair it with our phone. I downloaded Mi Fit application from Play Store. It's an Android phone. If you're using Apple device, you have to download from the market. Now I'm logging in with my Google account. It asks my age, my weight, my height. I have to put in those information for it to calculate for my sport activities and profiles how you are doing it. You have to give permissions to the application. Now I'm pairing it. Another permission. I have to turn on my GPS. I think it's connecting now. One more time. Now it's paired with the phone and updating. It fixed the watch. Let's have a look at the menus. I don't know what pay is. Notifications from your phone. This must be the breathing is about sleeping. Workout. and more. Let's put it on. It feels nice. Let's check heart monitoring. My heart usually beats at very fast speeds. Now let's take the core part out. You can change the strap to other colors as you wish. But once you take it out, it's harder to put it back. Okay, it's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon.